Electrolysis. In the early 18th century, many scientists were interested in the effects of electricity on matter. Working independently, using a powerful battery built by Sir Humphrey Davy, Nicholson and Callis were able to show in 1800 that water can be decomposed to 2 volumes of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen by passing an electric current through it. Michael Faraday, known as the father of electrochemistry, studied the effect of electric current on a number of substances and observed that some substances were able to conduct electricity in solution because they have charged atoms or groups of atoms. When electrical contact is established between the solution and a suitable current source, Faraday called the charged atoms ions and used the term electrolysis to describe the electrical decomposition or splitting of compounds. His extensive study of the subject leads to the proclamation of 2 laws, popularly called Faraday's laws of electrolysis. Some definitions. Electrolysis is the decomposition of a compound using electricity. An electrolyte is an ionic compound which conducts electricity in molten or aqueous solution, being decomposed in the process. An electrode is a rod or plate where electricity enters or leaves the electrolyte. During electrolysis, reactions occur at the electrodes. A discharge is the removal of electrons from reactive ions to form atoms, or the gain of electrons by positive ions to become atoms. An anode is a positively charged electrode connected to the positive terminal of the direct current source. Oxidation occurs at the anode. Anode loses negative charge as electrons flow towards the battery, leaving the anode positively charged. This causes the anions to discharge their electrons there to replace the lost electrons. A cathode is the negatively charged electrode connected to the negative terminal of a direct current source. Reduction occurs at the cathode. Cathode gains negative charge as electrons flow from the battery towards the cathode, making the cathode negatively charged. This causes cations to be attracted and gain electrons to become atoms, and gain electrons to become atoms. An anion is a negative ion. It is attracted to the anode. A cation is a positive ion. It is attracted to the cathode.